Hello, it's AJ Booker here from ajbox.co.uk to introduce you to my Nolo stem design, Chunky Monkey. Nolo means no or low cost. So it's a chance for your students or adults you know to have a go at something to do with STEM and really experiment at low cost. In this case, Chunky Monkey is a single card sheet A4 you photocopy and then it's cut out and assembled. The only other materials you need for it is some form of clay to weight down the front of it so it counterbalances, and obviously some form of glue, though the choice of glue is essential. The key to Chunky Monkey is it incorporates a number of different parts that makes real planes fly. For example, the rear triangle, the tail plane, actually has a very slight downward angle to it to help get lift, and the wings have a folded front edge to generate lift as well. In order to create it, you really need to go super accurate. So in this case, you need to have a proper knife, a steel ruler, a cutting mat, and some scissors if you really want to. The more accurate it is cut out and assembled, the better it will fly. And in the free presentation you can download at ajbox.co.uk, it explains things such as putting the wing on slightly one side more than the other generates more lift on one side and will make it go round in a circle. The other thing you have to watch out for is that the whole thing is properly thrown and launched. People tend to pick up a thing and throw it as fast as they can. In reality, it needs to be launched smoothly. Think of it though it's on a piece of elastic and it's smoothly pushed in a straight line. In that way, you should get a really good flight of over 20 meters, maybe 30 meters indoors. There are more of these free Nolo activities on the AJ Box site, along with postcards of the activities. And you can also on the site see my range of STEM kits you can purchase. These are low-cost educational kits with extensive educational resources. They're laser cut, all the pieces are pre-cut, they push out, pop together. They make things like real catapults, real spinning tops, real cam mechanisms. These are available at this point, February 2019 and probably most of 2019, for £25 UK plus delivery, and can be delivered to anywhere in the world. That's £25 for a set of 12 complete kits. Thank you.